Hello, welcome. This is my latest Mosslanda creation using the IKEA shelf. It's just 55 centimeters long. It's about 10 centimeters deep, and this latest creation is inspired by the sugar beet fields of Poland and the narrow gauge railways that served them. It's rather cheekily titled. I'm going to probably do this terribly. Mchowisko, which basically translates to mossland or moss fen, and hopefully I've captured something of well, not a bleak place, but not a cold day. A bit of warmth in the sun. No leaves on the trees yet though, and just somewhere to enjoy visiting, albeit briefly. It's some Pico 009 track, basically that's all there is, and some static grass and twisted wire trees, but this has been more an exercise in composition, thinking about the balance, the placing of these discrete items and how in a small space we can create a much larger one. I think seeing it here, it really does defy the size of that small box. Muted colours, wintry colours, as I say, but with a bit of a blue tint in that sky on purpose. I didn't want it to be miserable, but I did want it to sort of feel like winter. So we've got lots of yellows and browns. But looking at the composition, it's all just a little bit too muted, and it feels like there's just something missing. You know, just a finishing touch. And so, a little etched brass bicycle, painted red, just to catch the eye. Thanks for watching.